Hey, I'm getting ready to board a helicopter. Where am I? You'll find out. Keep watching. I'm gonna ride a helicopter somewhere. Where is it? You'll find out. There's our pilot, Kevin, right? Eric. Eric, sorry about that. Okay, all right. Eric gave us the ride today. Thanks a lot, buddy. Yeah.
Thought we had it all figured out.
Oh, there's the CES conference down there.
Everything.
Highway to the danger zone. Playing on the roller coasters up there. There's Fremont down there. We were just there. Fremont just walking down there a minute ago. Yeah. Awesome. Cool. Trump Tower. Trump Hotel.
Quiet.
Best way to see Las Vegas. Right? Yeah, best way to see Las Vegas. Pretty cool.